How we doing? Woo! Yo! Previously on Kimba TV. Yeah, I mean, it's gonna just squeeze a bunch of the late shorters and stuff, right? And then S&P is gonna try to squeeze this, okay? And that also, watch, swing high, swing low, okay? Okay, so that's one area where I'm gonna close out a little bit, okay? Ladies and gentlemen, how are we doing? Happy Tuesday, y'all. Jackin says, Kimba, tell me of good chance of 28.5. 28.5? Nah. Yeah, I would say that if they continue to make higher lows, they're just gonna save it. So for me, we're gonna get the TP at 27,000. We're gonna see the single print today, or we're gonna see it rotate back up to 27.8. In which case I'll get stopped out and I'll add again, or I'll re-enter at 27.8. So the 27.7 highs are poor highs, right? All of these lows between 27,000 and 27.3, they're poor lows. So one of them gonna get hit, y'all. So hopefully we get the 27. If we hit 27 today, that's 400K profit. Okay, if we go rotate back up, I'm gonna get stopped out on the 27.7. I'll re-enter at 27.8. I think it's dead ass simple. We're either gonna get the sweep on the bottom or sweep on top. Bugatti! Can we fucking get the 27 already? Bugatti. So is everybody planned out? Everybody good to go? I'm good to go. I don't know about you. Good morning, everybody. Happy motherfucking Tuesday. We kind of have a little bit of a short stream because I'm going to try to wake up hella early tomorrow. Early stream tomorrow. Who nasty? So my ass is gonna wake up at 5 o'clock, 4:30 in the morning to stream with y'all tomorrow, bright and early. We nasty? Oh man, I don't know if it's a good idea, but we gonna do it though. Fernand's house says why 27.8? Because it would be a sweep of these levels, brother. It's a sweep of this. So you could have one more and go, gotcha, bitch. Oh, I knew I was short. This is when you get the Kimba's so fucking stupid. I can't believe he's in a short. Oh, I knew I should have been in a short. All right, I'm gonna short right now. Boom, go fuck yourself. You already know what it is. But yeah, so house 27.8, or roughly it's the sweep here. Like forget the 27.8 house. Can you tell that those are poor highs here? Can you tell that these are poor highs? And so if you are gonna see price action going towards it, the first thing that you need to be suspicious of is a sweep. Okay, you do not wanna be top longing up here. Okay, these are poor highs. That is prime for a sweep right there. Okay, that's a poor low, that's a poor low, that's a poor low, that's a poor low, those are poor low. These are all gonna get swept, yes? At some point, I don't know when. Those are gonna get swept. That's also gonna get swept at some point. So we're not gonna try to predict the future. If they're gonna keep this upward momentum going and they keep doing higher lows, that's fine. They're just saving all this liquidity for later. So anytime we get up here or anytime we get up here, that's a short attempt. This is a short attempt. This is a short attempt. So considering that this would be the most highest probable for today, you know, that's why we're talking about this. I don't think we're gonna do this today. I don't know. I mean, I guess anything is possible, but it's either here or 27.8 for me. Those are the two levels that I'll be assessing. If it does some goofy shit like this, then I'm not gonna trade it. I'll just let it settle down. But that's it. Everybody keeping an eye on the Bugammas. Give it up for the Gex flip getting flipped. Bugatti. Okay, decoupling like no other. I'm surprised nobody's been like, but Kimba, S&P is going up. Butthole. If it's gonna go back up, okay, I'm gonna get stopped out. Do you remember? You know what? I'm not even gonna talk about my shit, okay? I'll get stopped out. I'm gonna re-enter at 27.8, okay? If the 27.8 short doesn't work out, I'm not shorting anymore. Okay, so if you are in a long, you need to get above 27.8. okay? If you're looking to short, you could be potentially looking for 27.8. So that's the level. If we do rotate back up, I'm looking at 27.8 to sweep these bad highs. Okay, lots of oregano right here. Roger that. Hopefully we go and rotate to the single print to the downside. I would hope at this point everyone knows where the single print, the CME gap, the golden pocket, right? So golden pocket, sweep play, single print, CME gap, it's all there. Bugatti, all right? Bitcoin CME gap is right there. Single print is right there. Golden pocket is right there. Binancio Magneto is right there. Swing failure pattern is right there. Okie dokie. So whether you're bull or bear, you have specific levels to look at. 27.8 to the upside, and then the 26.988 to the downside. That's it. Me personally, I'm going to close almost all of my shorts at 27, if not all. Okay? If it does a sweep, then I will also long it. That's my plan. As always, I will execute exactly how I say that I'm going to do it. Sato liquidation at 27160. Should we map it out or what? Remember back in the old days? The Korean demarcation zone. Well, that's when Sato and Bato both have liquidations. Let's go! Math! Bugattis! Big sells coming in. Boy, I was short on Friday. Hey, if you think this is lit, wait until tomorrow and Thursday. You know it's PPI first, CPI second. Oh my goodness, y'all. What are we going to do today? Are we going to send cocaine to the JP Morgan and Goldman Sachs lobby? Or imagine if we sent them like shrooms or LSD. Not in real life though. Metaverse. Ladies and gentlemen, new gammas are coming in 7 seconds, I believe. Go and check out the YouTube. Make sure you're watching the YouTubies. New gammas coming in. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. There it is. 4380 is the biggest gamma. Bugats. Gex flip is still there. We're seeing it. Bugats. Do you know where the single print is? Do you know the Big Daddy Golden Pocket? Okay, hold on. Here the song's over. Hold on 1 second. Okay, sweep. The yellow line is the sweep, okay? The single print is the green line, okay? Big Daddy Golden Pocket, okay? And then CME gap. Bugatti! CME gap. Sweep. Single print. Golden pocket. But you have to, if you're going to talk about round here, then you have to also have been here last week when I was talking about 26.6, 26.5 as the full rotation for the short. So if you're just hopping in right now and you're like, oh, that looks juicy as fuck, you have to have been here last week when I was preaching the 26.6, 26.5 for the full rotation. So if it goes all the way down to 26.5, 26.6, that's also math. That's the full rotation we were talking about, yeah? So if you weren't here earlier, basically as long as it can try to hold like this goofy higher low thing that they're trying to do, then, like, I don't know, it's probably like this or something like that. But if they can do this, then I would be looking to short 27.8. Okay, 20, you saw that cluster right there, right? But if we're going to lose, then everything that we talked about last week. Yeah, but it's like the high block stuff is confluence and nice, but I got into this short on Friday talking about the full rotation of 26.6, 26.5. Now I don't think we're going to get the full rotation, so I'll probably start closing everything between 26.8 and 27. DL says, have you looked at or covered ETH anytime recently? No, you want to take a look at it, brother? So first things first is going to be this, right? And you know what I'm going to say, right? It's got to get above this. Oh my God, this is a shit show, y'all. Wow. Very, very, very interesting level. Okay, but for me, it's got to get above this, and it's got to do a bullish retest. Okay, and then that green line right there is like a very, very important level that would need to. So we could potentially see a sweep of this, man. Whoops. But for me, I don't care where. It just needs to break out of this and do a bullish retest. That's when I would even think about it, DL. Okay. You could probably still, bro, I think 878, man. I don't know. I might look to play a sweep long there, maybe a sweep long there. But I think the 878 sweep is the one I want. Is that fucked up? Moon Farmer says, I'm in profit from the golden pocket, but it's just been sitting here for so long, I feel like closing out. Well, you don't want to do whatever you feel, Moon Farmer. So this is, if anything, if there's a learning moment, it's that you don't want to react emotionally. Is there a smaller time frame bull div that you're seeing? Because you would have already had a TP and a stop loss. And so you just let it do its thingity thing, right? But whether it's for the good or the bad, you don't want to just simply react emotionally. So that's the last thing you want to do. But if there's anything that you can see data-wise, that tells you, hey, maybe you should get out, then you should get out. But if you just react emotionally, then if it works out or not, you don't really know. Like if it works out, then you might end up repeating a bad habit. If it doesn't work out, you don't know exactly what it was that helps you improve next time. Oh my God, are we gonna actually get a chance to reshort this bitch? All right, y'all ready? Here we go. Alrighty, you guys are the fucking best. Don't let anybody. Yeah, hey, if this goes to 27.8, oh my God, y'all. It's a zone, okay? It's a zone. Don't get punked. Is there any TPO stuff correlating with 27.8, y'all? I gotta take a look at this real quick. It'll be the last piece of alpha maybe we can look at together, y'all. That's an interesting zone, y'all. Man, how many of y'all think it's the PPI number reaction that gets us to the fill? Or maybe it's PPI or CPI, I mean. The next 2 days, y'all, are going to be exciting. Let's not overtrade and let's not overthink it. You know what I mean? And let's be patient. I can't even imagine the retail like bloodshed that's going on out there right now. All right, saddest part of the day, y'all. I got to finish up my work and go to bed early, ladies and gentlemen. I'm going to see you guys at like, 5 in the morning tomorrow? Oh, my God. Ladies and gentlemen, make sure you stay on the lookout for the highlight. Make sure you stay out on the lookout for the gammas. All right, option flow. We got the levels to the downside, the single print. We got levels to the upside. Market makers know that I'm getting off. Ladies and gentlemen, motherfucking PPI. Get out of it. Wait. Motherfucker, too early, always. Okay, there we go. All right, y'all. Hey, longers, rooting for you. Shorters, rooting for you. All right, Lions, stay safe. International Lions, it is your turn to guard the castle. All right. Have a great night, everybody. I'm going to see y'all bright and early tomorrow. Woo! PPI tomorrow. Yes. I'm at 5 o'clock in the morning. Lord have mercy. All right, I'll see you guys tomorrow morning, bright and early. Have a great night, everybody. Peace. Guard the jungle. Sato, tell him what it is, man.